Can you not? I'm doing a video. You want some of this? Oh, you're a disaster. Okay. I may have purchased another Ruger product. I'm going a little crazy lately, but I don't care. I have a list, and it keeps it keeps growing. Every time I see a new one, I'm like, oh, gotta have it. Okay, so today I purchased the Ruger PC 9mm carbine. So let's do an unboxing and take a good look at her. Ooh, this is one I've been wanting for a little while. Ever since I seen it, probably, I don't know, a couple months ago. I've been obsessing over it a little bit too much. They've just been sold out everywhere I look, and when somebody gets one in, they sell very quickly. All right, let's take the firearm and move it over here. And let's look at what's in the package. Okay, just like with the Ruger Mini, we got a, okay, we got a, thank you, Ruger, Ruger, and revolver stuff. Thank you for purchasing Ruger. Get 20% off your next single order from shopruger.com. Okay. If y'all had had the gun on the website, I would have ordered it and got my 20% off. Ruger encourages you to join the National Rifle Association. Okay, the NRA. All right. Maybe one day. And we got the instruction manual. There. There. Same gun. It's just one of them has the new chassis system. Yeah. Okay, so over here we have our lock. Gonna get wasted again. We have our Ruger 17 round magazine, and it's made of steel. I do like the steel magazines. I have a thing for steel magazines. Okay, and over here we have, oh, this will definitely be added to the gun. This is the buttstock extender. I have a long length of pull with my long Skeletor slinky arms, so I'm gonna definitely install that. And over here we have the best feature of all, which is the magwell that supports all of the Glock magazines. And that's gonna be installed almost immediately too. Okay, so that's everything in the box. A few Allen keys, wrenches right here. That's it. Okay, so let's move the box. Okay, here she is. Oh. So wrinkly. Okay. Be gone. All right, there she is. Let me, for you folks. Okay. Yes. Well, I'm very surprised in the grip texture that's on this spot and this spot. It is, it's very sandpaper-like. That bolt is super smooth. I mean, my 1022, which is from like 2004, and it's got the stock bolt in it. The bolt is smooth, but it just has like a little bit of a play into it when you go to rock it back. But this one is real smooth. So the PCs come with ambi charging handles. So you can have it on this side, or you can swap it around to this side. I'm a right-handed shooter, so I'm gonna swap it around to the left-hand side. But what I think I may end up doing as well is just order another charging handle and have a charging handle on both sides. You know what I mean? So in case you're just like having to do it differently one time, you'll have the access to it on either side. I thought that was kind of cool. So that's what I'm gonna probably do. It comes with these peep sights. I'm a fan of them. They look awesome. I done checked them out and looked down the barrel, and they're positioned a little differently. Usually, you know, your rear sight's back here, but this one's up front, and it's kind of like a scout. You know, like a scout rifle. They sometimes the sights or the scope would be positioned up here. That's what it kind of reminds me of. So very nice peep sights. We got this bladed front sight, very sturdy. It's not going nowhere. And one day I will utilize this thread protector and get a suppressor. I may get a flash compensator for now, though, just to have something fancy on the end of the gun. But yeah, one day I'll definitely get a suppressor for that. You know, it's got a little bit of weight to it. Website says 6.8 pounds. But, oh my God, I mean, I kind of hear people crying about the weight of it. Look, you see this? One hand. One-handed manipulation. If I can do this and hold it there, it's fine. The weight is fine. And I like a little bit of weight to a gun. I don't like it to feel like a plastic toy. It's already mostly plastic. I don't want it to feel super plasticky. All the weight is right here, though. I can tell you that right now. It's right here in the receiver, in this bolt. Blowback design. It's smooth. Okay, I just want to see. Okay, so here's the Ruger mag. Let's insert it. Yeah, it snaps in there, kind of. I actually heard a little snap happen, which is good. And then your mag release button is ambi as well. You can put it on one side or the other. Yeah, see, I like that. You heard that little snap right there? Of course, I don't know if it's still going to do that when I put the Glock mags in there, because the Glock mags are all polymer, but I really appreciate that sound. Nobody ever says anything about that, but I really appreciate an audible sound when I insert magazines. I want to know it's in the gun. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Okay, of course, the other thing that I'm never going to use, but this is a big appeal to most people that get the gun, is that it's a takedown. You can, let's see, I haven't done it yet, so pull the bolt back though, and then the button there, it's just a pull back on it, and then twist it. And comes right out. Yeah. So there you go. Very compact little package now. Can basically put the thing in any book sack. I just know I'm never going to do that. I never throw guns in the backpack, you know. I just throw them over my shoulder. I put a sling on them and I throw them over my shoulder if I'm going to go hiking or something. Which is definitely going to end up happening. There. There it is. And it's solid. And take note that if this piece right here ever loosens up, that it'll affect accuracy. So always make sure this little right here is tight. And it seems tight right now, so I don't need to mess with it. Yeah. Okay. So, okay, hang on. Okay, we're going to do this. Trigger. All right. Bolts down. Gun is empty. And crossbolt safety, of course, just like 1022. Now let's check that trigger. Okay. All right. I don't know if y'all be able to, let's see. Okay, watch the travel. Boom, right there. And then there's no take up or anything back. It's already at the wall right now. Boom. Well, yeah, okay. That's good enough for me. Maybe one day I'll put another trigger in it, but I'm not no trigger snob. As long as the trigger works and it's functional and it doesn't get hung up or anything on me, I'm fine with it. So what else is there? Okay, so this Picatinny or rail system right here for a scope or an optic, it is machined into the receiver, which is very nice. So that sucker's never going anywhere. I will most definitely put a scope on here, but I'm a little conflicted because I like these peep sights so much. These are very nice peep sights, and I'm going to shoot it before I put a scope or optic on here and see how precise I can be with just the peep sights. But I can't help it. I gotta put a scope on all my rifles just about, and it's gonna be an LPVO though. I'm spoiled on those LPVOs. Ever since I put that Viper Vortex PS2 Gen 2 on the AR, I love it. They weren't $600. I would buy 5 more of them. But yeah. Hey, where you been? Okay, I knew you was gonna make your way up here at some point, and here you are. Say hey. Say hey to everybody. I got your mouse right here. That's why you jumped up here. You love that mouse. Okay, I'm finishing up the video, so can you move? Can you move? How dare you swat at me? Oh, she don't like that. Yeah, scat. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will be taking this out to the range very soon to shoot because, yeah, I've been looking forward to this thing. Make sure to like and subscribe because the first shots video is going to come up real soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.